Hello, dear brother and sister. I'm very happy to meet you today in your channel, and I want to give you this secret is very important. Is the secret of the padlock Firstly, you should to write what you see in your text for two time. Firstly, you are going to write this for one time. You are going to put your name inside, your mother's name, his name, and his mother's name, and you are going to fold this paper to keep it with you. In the second paper, you are going to write this what you see, your name, your mother's name, his mother's name, and you are going to take bath to take bath with this, okay? And the K you should do to take the K. Donc at the night you are going to take the K, and you open the K, and to say what you want to this person, and you should to sit his name three times, and after you can say what you want to this person, and after you are going to close the K with the K, and after you are going to make this under your prayer, okay? Under your prayer, you are going to make this K under your prayer for 7 days, inshallah. And the 8th day, you should to you remove the padlock and hide it at home, and the K in another place. I am going to leave you. I will meet you tomorrow, inshallah. Good luck and good continuation.